y'all, as you can see, I'm about to do an install on a frontal wig unit. I made it. The hair came from Eunice. It is 16-inch frontal, 18, 20, 22-inch Jerry Curly bundles. So I'll be back with that soon. I'm gonna finish this off and then show you the install. Hey y'all, your girl is back. Coming to you once again with my unit that I customized myself. 16-inch frontal, 18, 20, 22-inch bundles of Jerry Curly from Eunice. Let me know what you all think. Thumbs up the video, subscribe. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. But I wanted to show you all this unit. I don't know, tell me what you think. I love it. Once again, customized by myself. 16-inch frontal, 18, 20, 22-inch bundles of Jerry Curl. Hey y'all, big event coming up. Eunice has a 3rd anniversary celebration, January 15th, 2019. Ladies, get your bundles, lady. They're gonna have a big sale going on, so stay tuned for that. Once again, y'all, 3rd year anniversary. Eunice. Big sale, y'all. Celebration. Help them celebrate. Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies. Get your bundles. Remember, you can always use coupon code Sierra3 and get your discount as well.